Hello everyone. After a flat start to the day, Nifty recovered to gain nearly 1.5% and closed at 11,300. So for today's video, I'm going to give my forecast for tomorrow, which will help my subscribers make a lot of money. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, here you can see the Nifty chart. For tomorrow, we have a pivot of 11,257, and you would notice one thing very interesting, that today's low was roughly around the 5-period EMA of 11,182. Very close. So this is going to be a very important support going forward. And you would also notice that today's high was well above the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of 11,233. In fact, the high was 11,317, which means that this Fibonacci retracement is now going to become a support as this has been decisively crossed. And since today's closing was 11,300, this is going to be very critical going forward. The other supports, notable supports, will be 11,135, 11,080 and 11,900. Sorry, the March high of 11,430 along the March high of 11,380 are going to be very important resistances. So if Nifty goes even below the 5-period EMA, then the levels of 11,070 and which is a 10-period EMA and 21-period EMA of 10,850 will be very important supports. And if it crosses even the levels of 10,600 and 700, then the June highs of 10,553 and 484 will be very important supports. So that's it for today's prediction. All the best for tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video.